Hey guys, this is Ralph from Ralph's Guitar Lessons, and today I have a very special lesson for you. And if you're a new guitar player, this is a very important one for you. If you've gotten a grip on holding the guitar and getting real comfortable holding the pick, then learning this E minor chord is incredibly important. Probably should be the first chord should learn. And this chord is in so many songs. The songs from the intro of this video are incredibly popular, and chances are you're going to be playing some songs that include this chord, so it's better to get it out of the way now. And it's very easy to learn. It sounds really good. It's a very nice sounding minor sad chord, so I think you're really going to get a lot of value out of this lesson. On this channel, I'm going to help you to become the best guitar player that you can be. So in the comments, you should write any questions or other lessons you'd like to see out of me. That way I can help you to become a better guitar player faster. Also subscribe. That way you're notified of any new videos I upload, because they're going to help you get better at guitar a lot faster. And like the video to let me know if this helped you out. That way I know that I can keep making content like this. So this E minor chord is a really important chord. It's got a really rich but sad sounding tone to it. You might be thinking, why do I want to learn a sad chord? Well, a lot of songs are about sad things, unfortunately, and it's a reasonable emotion to have. So people write songs about breakups or loss in some way, shape, or form. And the nice thing about minor chords is they complement major happy sounding chords really well. So I have a G major chord lesson on my channel as well. And it sounds really good, that chord, paired with the E minor chord. They go incredibly well together. And actually, they share some of the same notes. They both have B in them, and they're called what's a relative major and minor. They sound very well together. They work together in the C major scale. There's a lot of theory to back that up as well. So there's no reason really not to learn this chord, considering how popular and useful it is. It's very guitar friendly. Anything in E minor is going to be very guitar friendly, such as this chord. So all you're going to have to do, and the tab will show this as well, is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to put it on the second fret of the A string, and then you're going to do the second fret of the D string with your ring finger right underneath that. And then you're going to play all of the notes. The key thing here is to bridge. So as you can see here, I'm making kind of like an arc with my ring and middle finger. So then that way, the G string, which is below the D string, is not getting touched by my ring finger. That way, I'm not getting this buzzing sound, which is definitely what we don't want. It doesn't sound good. And if we buzz that G string, or any other string for that matter, the chord will feel really empty. It'll sound muffled and almost percussive in a way. It won't sound like you're going for. You're going for a nice, full, rich tone with this. So again, middle finger on the second fret of the A string, ring finger on the second fret of the D string. And as far as thumb placement, usually it ends up for me over the top of the neck. You could put it behind the neck here as well, but with chords that are closer to the nut of the neck here, I find that a little uncomfortable. Chords maybe more up here would warrant me putting my thumb towards the middle, but right here I'm overlapping it. But it also depends on your hand size. I think if your hand is smaller, my hand is probably more average size, so if your hand's smaller, you might have more comfort there, but your mileage is going to vary on this. So do whatever's comfortable, find something that works, and then stick with it. That way you can have repeated success with this. So lastly, we'll do it one more time. Middle finger on the second fret of the A, ring finger on the second fret of the D string, and then pluck every single string. And that's E minor. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you got a lot of value out of this lesson. If you have any questions about this lesson, leave them in the comments. If there's other specific lessons that you want to see out of me, put it in those same comments. Subscribe to the channel. That way you're notified of any future guitar videos that I put out. That way you get better faster. And leave a like if you enjoyed the lesson and got some value. That way I know it worked for you guys. And if you have a guitar buddy, or people that are trying to grow with you on guitar, share this video with them. Jam on, dudes.